And your Chef Ricardo cooking show is amazing, guys. Today in the kitchen, giving you favorite recipes and ideas and things where you love to make in your kitchen at home. Anyway, today's recipe is going to be a red onion tea. You might say, Chef Ricardo, where you get that ideas from? What red onion tea have to do with weight loss, or what red onion tea have to do with detoxing your body and all these things? A lot of people ask some question, you know what I mean? But we are there to answer it, you know what I mean? I'm not like I'm there to answer every question, but if you go to Google and you type in what's the benefit of red onion tea, it will tell you, give you a lot of lists what red onion tea can do for you. So basically, guys, it is very important for you to do some research, yeah, because not everything you see you're going to believe. You need to do research. So when you do your research, then it can open your mind more clearer to certain things in life. Okay, do you cook with red onion at home? I don't like red onion, so I don't use it. Yes, I use it. Do you cook with garlic? Yes, I love garlic. It makes my food taste nice. All right, all of these ingredients, if they can make in your food, why cannot make tea? A lot of people eat garlic raw, and a lot of people eat red onion raw. I eat red onion raw. Sometimes I'll saute it and eat it with my dinner or with salad. So there's a lot of benefit. All right, the trash off the red onion, that's what we're going to be using to make a nice and lovely. So basically, this is the red onion right here, which I'm talking about. So we're going to remove the trash off the red onion. All right, so basically, I'm just gonna give you a little bit ideas of what's going on. Put this one side. So basically, if you get the trash off the red onion like this, just take a little time and simple. Remove off some of the trash bits, the dry bits off the onion like this. Just don't get the one bit of it which is rotten. All right. You just want to use this nice, lovely bit, nice one, and now lovely. All right. You might ask Chef Ricardo why he doesn't use the white onion. Well, I want to tell you something. You see, the red onion have a lot of health benefit more than the white one to me. I don't know. I need to do a research on that one. Lovely. So what I'm going to do, this amount of red onion dry bits here, that's simple. All right. Just tear it up like this. And what I'm going to do is simple, put a little bit of water on it like this and wash it off. All right, guys, wash off that dry bits. Now I'm going to get 2 cups of water, and I'm going to roughly about a cup of water and put it inside of this pan right here. Once you wash off the red onion dry bits, put it straight inside of this one right here. Straight in like this. Like this. It might have a little bit stick on your hand, but that's fine. Now we're gonna put this to the boil for take about 5 to 10 minutes the least. And once you boil it, then we're going to strain it and make a lovely red onion tea, which is good for detoxing, weight loss, and it have a lot of health benefit. Do some research, guys. It's amazing, and I will definitely drink it to show you exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. All of these ingredients is something which I try, and you know what I mean, as I said, we all eat red onion, so why not? I have one of this red onion. I'm gonna make an onion tea to show you again with it, guys. And now we're gonna put it to the boil. All right, guys, stay tuned. Lovely. So here it is on the fire now, on the moment, on the stove. So we want this to boil up, all right, which is not gonna take too long. All right, lovely. Enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see, how it start to boil, and definitely you will see a different color of the garlic tea, right, of the onion tea right here. All right. So basically, this is finished. It's kind of something which is gonna take really long. So now, this is finished. We just need to share it out now and mix it to show you guys. So two options you have. You can either use some organic honey. A lot of people normally use honey, but you have to be careful of honey because some honey do have bay sugar. So you know what I mean. Unless you're gonna use a little bit of sweetener, but it's better for you to use organic honey, guys. Lovely recipe, and as you can see, that's it. Turn off stove, done and dusted. Now let's strain it. Lovely and nice. So here it is, and this is exactly what we're talking about. That is amazing. All right, guys, definitely give it a try, give it a go, and you know what I mean, as I said, drink the red onion tea and you will see exactly what happened to you at home when you drink red onion tea, guys. It's just amazing. If you can drink it this kind of way, like how it is here right here, you can also, simple, if you have some organic honey, which is the best honey to use. I'm always use only organic honey and normally, you know what I mean? Because when you buy the one in the supermarket, you have to be careful. They have bay sugar, and that's not good for you. So if you use roughly about half teaspoon of the organic honey inside of it and give it a lovely little bit of sweeten, I'm gonna taste it. Really nice, yeah, a little bit better, because a lot of people cannot only just drinking the red onion tea just like this. So guys, give it a try, give it a go, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, and you can see exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about. Lovely recipe. As I said, red onion tea, you have to give it a try. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, so stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, and we are there with the full recipe. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.